Here the boom comes. This band, it has an outstanding history. It has accomplished quite a few magnificent feats.
Coming from Detroit, I was drum major in my high school. It is very challenging to be a drum major. You have a lot of leadership roles that you have to demonstrate. But when it's not easy for you to want to come to practice, you still have to come, you still have to be that example.
We practice for perfection. That means that we might have to go a little beyond the normal hours.
On those last counts, after Candy, make sure those horns come down very, very.
The students understand it, they support it, and our goal is to make sure that we don't pull away from their academic requirements. That's forever on our mind.
The Sonic Boom style is one like no other. I cannot name any other university or institution that has the style that Jackson State has. We are one in a million.